how to fix Acer laptop power on, but no display. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Acer laptop black screen issue. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So this is usually pretty easy to fix, and I'll be showing you two different ways to fix it. The first is going to be to simply hold down a keyboard combination. So that's going to be the Shift key, the Control button, the Windows button, and B at the same time just for a few seconds. You may see your mouse appear like I just had, or the screen may come back entirely. Now, if that did not bring back the mouse completely, and hold down these buttons for around 10 seconds, 15 seconds, let go, and don't worry, the next thing we can do is perform a hard reset of your Acer laptop. It's very easy, and don't worry, it does not affect your files. So to do that, simply find the power button, and on my Acer laptop, it's going to be right up here in the top right, looks like that. It might be in a different area on your Acer laptop. Hold down the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. You might see the display turn off or anything like that happen. Just keep holding it. What we're going to do is force the laptop to turn off, and then we'll just turn it on, and that should fix the black screen issue. So after about 10 or 15 seconds, you can let go, and then just hold down the power button for around 2 to 3 seconds, and then give it, 10 seconds to start booting back up. So as you can see, it's starting to turn back on, and the display is working. Now I can log back in, and I can start working and using my laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.